Hello guys!
What's up guys?
As you can see guys, so this time we will show you how to create 3D animation with using Blender application. My name is Ahmad Aziz Ramadan and this is
Michael Griswas Matubang.
And let's get started.
Okay guys, the version of the application that I'm using is version 2.8a. This is in the initial appearance of the application. First step, change the cube with cylinder to make rocket body. Then change vertices in add cylinder to 100 to make the side smoother. Next, go to edit mode and click wireframe and selection the top. Click move tool and slide up to lengthen object. Choose loop cut to cut middle part of the object. Okay, and then selection top and bottom line. After that, click Z-axis and choose scale tool and enlarge selected. Okay. Next, we will do the same to the line 2 and 4. But scale is greater than line before. Okay. After that, do the same to line 3. To finish, click the solid to look the result. Okay, next make the rocket roof with cone. Make sure the size is same with rocket body. Then lower the top edge. Okay, next for the fly, we're using the cone. But for the feather size, just 3. Then make top edge forming elbow. After that, set the scale. Okay, next we will make the rocket window. But for the feather size, just 3. For the glass, I'm using icosphere with subdivision 2 and set the scale to fit in the gem. Okay, after that, next step is coloring. Make sure that's in wireframe. Click material properties, use nodes and pick the color what you want. Don't forget to give the color name and click assign. Do the same to another font. to look the result back to solid, then boot into the rocket. After that, back to object mode, and this is the 3D animation rocket. Set the background color what you want. Set the brightness. Set up the movement according the frame.
Okay guys.
That's all about video making rocket animation. Yang gaming, we hope you can get it.
Thank you guys.